Turn AI into your paycheck. And welcome to Pro AI Income, where AI meets real profits. People are earning thousands of dollars every month just by selling AI-generated storybooks online. Parents are constantly purchasing these books for their kids. The demand is huge, and the market is growing every single day. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create professional storybooks using free AI tools and sell them for real money. In very first step, I will check if this business is actually profitable by researching what's selling right now. Then in second step, I will show you how to create a complete 10 to 12 page illustrated storybook using Gemini Gems completely free. After that, in step 3, I will show you how to package them in bundles of 5, 10, or 15 books. And finally, in step 4, I will explain where to sell them, how to get clients, where to list your books, and how to promote them to make sales. If you think this will be useful, subscribe now. Let's begin. So the step 1 is to check whether this idea actually sellable or not. We need to check if people are actually buying AI storybooks and how much money they are making. So I will search on Amazon and Etsy. I go to Amazon and search for children's storybooks. You can see there are thousands of books here. Now I will look for books that have many reviews and good ratings. This book has 500 plus reviews. This one has 1,000 plus reviews. This clearly shows people are buying these books. Now let me check the price. Most storybooks are selling for $12 to $20. Some personalized books are selling for $25 to $40. This is really good profit potential. Now I will check Etsy. I search personalized children's books on Etsy. Look at this. This seller has made over 5,000 sales. At $18 per book, that's over $90,000 in revenue. This seller has 2,000 sales. Another one with 3,500 sales. These are real numbers from real sellers making real money. This proves the market is real and active. Parents are actively buying these books every single day. The demand is there and growing. Now, let's create our own storybook and get into this market. Our step 2 is to create complete storybook in 1 minute with Gemini Gem. This is completely free. No paid subscription needed. I go to gemini.google.com. You need a Google account to use this. It's completely free to sign up and use. On the left side of the screen, I click on Gems. Then I search for Storybook, or I can find it in the Gems list. This is a pre-made gem created by Google specifically for creating illustrated storybooks for children. Now I click on the Storybook gem to open it. In the text box, I simply type my story idea. I keep it simple. Create a storybook about a brave little rabbit who learns to overcome fear of the dark. Make it for kids ages 4 to 7. It's writing the complete story and generating beautiful custom illustrations for each page at the same time. This happens automatically. Look at this. In just 1 to 2 minutes, we have a complete 10-page storybook. Each page has colorful illustrations that match the story perfectly. The images are in children's book style with bright colors and friendly characters. The quality is amazing. This looks professional. The best part is you can customize everything. You can upload your own child's photo, and Gemini will create a personalized storybook with your child as the main character. Just click Add Files, upload the photo, and tell Gemini to make the main character look like the child in this photo. Parents pay premium prices for personalized books like this. I'm talking $30 to $50 per personalized book. You can also change the art style completely. You can say, make it watercolor style, or claymation style, or comic book style, or pixel art style. Gemini will regenerate the whole book in that new style within minutes. You can ask Gemini to make the story funnier, make it more educational, change the ending, add more pages, remove pages, change character names, whatever you want. The storybook even comes with read aloud narration built in. You can click listen and Gemini will read the story out loud in a nice voice. You can even change the voice style. This is perfect for bedtime stories, and parents absolutely love this feature.
In the quiet village of Omoni, the colors were starting to leak away. The sky was no longer a bright blue, but the color of a dusty chalkboard. Akito watched a flower turn gray in his garden. He knew the world was fading, and he was the only one brave enough to find out why. He packed a small satchel with a loaf of bread, a wooden whistle, and a heart full of questions. At the great crossroads, Akito met a strange woman named Tsumugi. She sat upon a floating cushion, her hands moving through the air.
Now I will save the storybook. I can print it or share it via a link. At the top, I click share and copy the link. I can send this link to anyone and they can read the storybook online for free. I can also create different stories on different topics. In 10 minutes, I can create 5 to 10 different complete books. This is incredibly fast compared to traditional book creation. Now, step 3 is pack them in bundles. Here is the smart strategy that will multiply your earnings. Don't sell just one book. Create bundles and sell them together. This increases your profit significantly. I will create 5 different storybooks using the same Gemini Gems method ready to sell. Here are my 5 books. Book 1, Brave Rabbit Overcomes Fear of Dark. Book 2, Little Bear Learns to Share with Friends. Book 3, Curious Cat Makes New Friends at School. Book 4, Wise Owl Goes to School for First Time. Book 5, Happy Dog Learns Good Manners and Kindness. Now I have 5 complete books. I can sell them as a bundle package. Instead of selling one book for $15, I can sell a 5-book bundle for $45 or $50. Parents love bundles because they get more value and variety. You make more money per sale and customers are happier. You can create different bundle sizes based on what sells best. 5-book bundle for $45 to $50. 10-book bundle for $80 to $95. 15-book bundle for $120 to $150. The bigger the bundle, the more value you provide and the more money you make per customer. You can also create themed bundles that target specific needs. Bedtime stories. Bundle with 5 calming stories. Learning. Good value. Bundle with 10 books. Teaching, sharing, kindness, honesty, adventure story. Bundle with 5 exciting tales. Personalized birthday bundle where the child is the main character. The possibilities are truly endless. Create bundles based on what parents want and need. Check what's selling well on Etsy and Amazon and create similar themed bundles. Finally, our step 4 is how to sell, get clients, where to list, how to promote. Now the most important part. How do you actually sell these books and make real money? I will show you exactly where to list your books and how to get paying customers. Where to sell your storybooks. Option 1 is Etsy. Etsy is honestly the best platform to start selling. Parents come to Etsy specifically looking for personalized and unique children's books. Option 2 is Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. You can publish your books on Amazon completely free. Amazon handles all the printing and shipping for you. You just upload your book file and earn royalties on every sale. Option 3 is your own website. You can create a simple website using Shopify, list your book bundles there, share the website link on social media and with your contacts. The big advantage here is you keep 100% of profits because there's no platform commission or fees. Now let's see how to get clients and customers. Method 1 is social media marketing. Create an Instagram page or TikTok account dedicated to your children's books. Post beautiful images of your book pages, show the colorful illustrations, read short portions of the stories on camera. Use popular hashtags like children's books, kids stories, bedtime stories, parenting tips, mom life. Make TikTok videos showing how parents can personalize books with their child's photo and name. This content goes viral very easily because parents love sharing anything involving their kids. One viral video can bring you hundreds of customers. Method 2 is Facebook parent groups. Join Facebook groups for moms, parents, and homeschooling families. These groups have thousands of active members. Share your books there following the group rules. Many parents in these groups actively look for good quality books for their children. Method 3 can be Pinterest marketing. Create attractive Pinterest pins featuring your book covers and sample pages. Link the pins directly to your Etsy shop or website. Pinterest is absolutely huge for book discovery. Many parents specifically use Pinterest to find new books for their kids. Method 4. Should local community promotion. Print simple flyers or business cards with your book information. Distribute them at local daycares, preschools, libraries, and pediatric clinics. Parents visit these places regularly with their children. Method 5 is influencer collaboration. Give away 1 or 2 free personalized books to parent influencers or mommy bloggers who have engaged followers. If they like your books, they will share them with their audience. This brings you new customers completely free and builds your credibility. And marketing running, many sellers are currently making $5,000 to $10,000 per month selling children's books on Etsy and Amazon. This is real verified income. The market is huge and still growing every year. The beautiful thing about this business is it's mostly passive income. You create the books once using Gemini Gems in a few minutes. Then you list them on Etsy or Amazon. They can sell for months or even years with very little additional work from you. The tools are free. The market is proven. The process is simple. Now it's your turn to take action and start earning. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Pro AI Income for more ways to make money with AI. Like this video and share it with anyone who wants to start an online income. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.